Right, in this video we're going to use our calculator to calculate the fourth root of pi squared over 2.7 times 10 to the 3, given your answer to three significant figures. So, on the calculator we need to press Shift, and this is a Casio calculator. The button above the x to the power, which is the f root of a number. And then we need to, because it's the fourth root, we need to put in 4. We need to press the replay button to take the cursor into the root sign. We're going to want a fraction button to introduce a fraction. And then we want the pi, so we're going to need to press Shift, and above the exponential, above standard form, is the pi button. So in the bottom row of your calculator, in the middle. X squared, because we want the pi squared, then the downwards replay button, and then we're going to put in 2.7 times 10 to the x, and again we can put that as a 3, we don't try to raise it to a power. We then press the replay button to take it out of the fraction button, and then a replay button to take it out of the square root, fourth root sign, and then press equals. So, working this out, on a calculator it will look like this. Okay, and then we got write down the full calculator value. So 0.2458861,094. We want the three significant figures, so that's the first, the second, the third. This doesn't count. So the 8 will make that 5 or 6, so the final answer will be 0.2462. Three significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to use a Casio calculator to work out a more complicated calculation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.